What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another tutorial on how to successfully pack and ship your orders. I pretty much, y'all know how to pack orders, like it's just simple. So I'm gonna just demonstrate for you guys really quickly. So this person right here, focus, she ordered strawberry body shimmer, hair growth oil. So I've already packaged and everything. So I have the glass at the top and the regulars at the bottom with a little what is it called, bubble wrap and all that good stuff. And I have her packing slip. So if you have Shopify, guys, okay, cool. If you do have Shopify, let me just do a quick little tutorial. Most people don't know how to do this. This is the best way to pack and ship your orders. If you do ship your orders with Shopify, I'm not knocking it, but I use Pirate Ship, okay? So when you get on the order, okay, it's unfulfilled, so more actions. You're going to print packing slip. So once you do that, a pop-up should come up. So then you're gonna just scroll down. Then you're gonna click, hold on one moment. If you have an iMac or if you have a MacBook or anything of the sort, it's gonna pop up like that. And I don't wanna show the address or anything like that. Oh my God. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go to File. Once you download it, you're gonna go to File. Let me just zoom in on File. Okay, so once you have the packing slip all downloaded and all that good stuff, so you're gonna just, y'all should know how to do this. It's not rocket science. But I'm just gonna put the camera down for a second. Go to File, go to Print, and it should pop up. I have this label printer right here from Handy Dandy. Amazon is also in a link in the description box below. So you want to make sure you have it on these settings right here. Paper size 3.93 by 5.90. Okay, so once you print that, put it with your order. Okay, cool. Since we already have this done, we're just going to exit that out. We already have her packing slip and all the extra stuff. We already have her order packed. So once you pack your order or whatever, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to you're gonna go to Pirate Ship. If you guys do not know what Pirate Ship is a, I want to say third party. You can say third party shipping website. You can also integrate it with Big Cartel, Shopify, and I don't know about Etsy yet, but Etsy, I just use their platform. But for Big Cartel and Shopify, I do use Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship has cheaper prices, I feel like, than everywhere else. They're always giving good discounts and stuff like that. They're always, you know, changing the prices. So shipping for like light packages be like $4 or less, but heavier packages tend to, you know, be a little pricey, but it is not as expensive as versus you doing it the old-fashioned way. I used to do it the old-fashioned way, y'all. I used to go in there and stand in line, y'all, and tell them the addresses where to ship to. I done been to all phases, y'all, all phases of this business life. So we're gonna do K Cosmetics just for this video right here. So we do have some orders. Okay, so we do. I was supposed to be okay, hold on. I wasn't sure. So I thought huh? I'm kind of confused, cause where is the yeah, I'm confused. I'm trying to see where's the orders. Okay, there they go. Like, I'm like, huh? So okay, so of course what you're gonna do is you're gonna just click. So I'm gonna click all the orders that I'm shipping out today, and we're gonna go to the next step. All the orders I'm shipping out today. I think that's it. When was that? The 4th? Was that yesterday or today? I'm not even sure. Did I pack that order? I don't care, I'm just gonna do it anyway. So get rates for labels. Okay, so here we are. I have my return address and the package details. So if you do not have a safe package thing that you can go to already, I do recommend you doing this after you do this. Most people don't know about Pirate Ship, so I'm going to give you guys the full tutorial to help you guys out. People be asking me for gems, tutorials, how to start a business, what to do. Okay, I'm telling you. So you're gonna do the package, length and dimensions, length, width, height, blah 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 blah. They're talking about your bubble mailers. When they're talking about height and da 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 da, they're talking about the bubble mailer. So when you order this, pay attention to the size. So you're just gonna put what, 8 by length. Okay, length is 8. Width, I don't think, girl, by width, height, 10. Okay, cool. You just gonna blah 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 guesstimate, I guess. Then put 4 ounces. I put 4 ounces for all of my small packages, like 3 to 4 ounces. I put all of that for like my one bottle of 2 ounce hair growth oil, bracelets, all this stuff. But you can get you a scale and you can actually weigh each package individually. But when you're doing a bulk, like I'm doing 10 orders right now in this little shipment right here. So when you're doing that, you can't just go in and, you know what I'm saying, edit every one. So I just do it bulk and I just eye it or whatever. And extra services, this is where you can determine if you want the signature of a person to sign for their package, insurance, blah 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 blah. Since I already have my saved packages, I'm just going to go to small, and this is what I have. So when you save a package and its dimensions and stuff like that, it's going to come up already, you know what I'm saying, pre-filled, and you're just going to press get rates. So once you press get rates, it's automatically going to calculate the prices for all the packages you have selected. So once that's finished loading, let me see how much is it going to be. So we're going to see the prices and we're going to compare the prices as well. So for first class, the cheapest, we're going to go with the cheapest. We don't care. We get a 25% discount as well. So it went from $5 to $3.77. So you drop down, you see a breakdown of all the other options you could have went with. We're not going with that unless someone pays for next day or anything like that. That's the only reason you need to be worried about any of these, or unless you're shipping with UPS or anything like that. We're not shipping with UPS, we're using USPS. But this is a breakdown of all the prices. It's still cheap. You guys can see the retail price and their price. So you guys see that it could be for priority, could be $10.33, but here it's $7.50. So I really love the little discount that we get in the breakdown and all that good stuff. But so we're doing the cheapest, as we always do, because we're gonna save a coin, period. And people only pay so much for shipping, and they already got the price calculated, so it's gonna be about $40, which is average for my little packages or whatever. And all we're gonna do is press print label. So it's important that you, when you first open your account with Pirate Ship, it's gonna automatically have this selected, or no, not this selected. It's gonna automatically, I think it's gonna automatically have this selected if I'm not mistaken. But you wanna have the 4x6 labels, and you're gonna press download labels, and it's gonna pop right up. It should pop right up. So we're gonna have it down a little bit, file, print, and it's going to take you to this page. Remember the dimensions and stuff like that I told you guys about to have it set at. It's really simple, guys. So you're just going to press print, and we're going to send it to our printer, and there we have it. You have to have a label printer as well, guys, if you guys was wondering. If you guys do want a cheap label printer under $100, check the links in our description box as well for our little Amazon storefront with all the little goodies and all the little, you know what I'm saying, items from Amazon. Okay guys, so now that we have the labels printed out and all that stuff ready to go, so now we're just gonna, so this is what I do. Sometimes I have the shipping labels and packing slips printed out at the same time, but sometimes when I'm packing orders one day and I don't finish and print out the shipping labels and all that good stuff, I just write the names on there if I know I'm not going to be finishing time. So this is a great way to have, you know what I'm saying, keep up with things. So you want to have, for me, I have light bubble mailers, so for this purpose, so I could write on the mailers and tell what I wrote. So we're going to start off with Pam, Miss Pam, and we're just going to slap her label on there really quickly if it would let me. So we're going to cover up her name and her tracking and all that good stuff. And yeah, so that is pretty much how you pack low-key and ship and label orders. So I'm going to come back when I'm done with all of them. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm done with these little orders or whatever. So that is how you pack and ship and label your packages. Just so simple, guys. If you do want me to come out with some more tutorials, let me know. Drop some how-to videos you want me to do in the comment section below and I'll get to them. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel.